morning, everyone. My name is Rashmeet Kaur from class 5 Tulip. Today, I'm going to explain about camouflaging animals. The property of merging the body covering with the surroundings is known as camouflage, and animals showing this property are known as camouflaging animals. For example, leopard. Its spots help it blend into tree bark and leaves, making it difficult to spot. Using the element of surprise to its advantage, it will pounce from its hiding spot when it eyes prey. Chameleon. It changes colors and patterns on its body to help it blend in with its surroundings. It darkens its color when afraid and brightens them when it is excited. Grasshopper. It is camouflaged to avoid detection by predators that hurt by sight. Some species can change their coloration to suit their surroundings. Thank you.